Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. First of all, thank you very much for joining us today. We are truly grateful that you have chosen to spend your valuable time with us. Every video you watch is another step toward improving your English and creating better opportunities for your future. Before we begin today's lesson, let us talk about the benefits of watching this video until the end. By watching this video, you will learn practical and modern ways to improve your English without depending entirely on textbooks. You will discover how to use your daily life as a classroom, how to learn naturally, and how to practice English even when you do not have a book in your hands. You will also improve your listening skills, speaking confidence, vocabulary, and overall understanding of the English language. Most importantly, this video will help you realize that learning English is not limited to a classroom or a textbook. English can become part of your everyday life, and once that happens, learning becomes easier, more enjoyable, and more effective. Now let's begin today's important topic: how to learn English without a book. Many people believe that learning English requires shelves full of grammar books, vocabulary books, and expensive study materials. Because of this belief, some learners feel discouraged when they do not have access to books or formal classes. They often say, "I don't have enough books. I cannot afford courses. I don't know where to start. I need better materials before I begin." But what if I told you that millions of people around the world improve their English every day without opening a textbook? The truth is that books are useful, but they are not the only way to learn. In fact, many fluent English speakers develop their language skills through daily exposure, practice, and consistent effort, rather than through textbooks alone. Think about how children learn their first language. They do not begin with grammar books. They learn by listening. They learn by observing. They learn by repeating. And they learn by using the language every day. This natural process can also help you learn English. The first way to learn English without a book is through listening. Today, English is everywhere. You can listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, audiobooks, and conversations. The more English you hear, the more familiar the language becomes. At first, you may not understand everything. That is completely normal. Do not focus on understanding every word. Instead, focus on understanding the general meaning. Over time, your brain will naturally recognize common words and sentence patterns. The second way is through watching English content. Watch videos that match your level. Choose topics you genuinely enjoy. If you enjoy travel, watch travel videos. If you enjoy sports, watch sports content. If you enjoy motivation, watch motivational videos in English. When learning becomes enjoyable, you are more likely to continue. Consistency is far more important than intensity. 10 minutes every day is often better than 2 hours once a week. The third method is talking to yourself in English. This may sound unusual, but it is one of the most powerful learning techniques available. You do not need a partner. You do not need a teacher. You only need your voice and your willingness to practice. Describe your surroundings. Talk about your plans. Explain what you are doing. For example, I am making tea. I am watching a video. I am learning English. These simple exercises train your brain to think directly in English. Another powerful strategy is changing your environment. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Follow English-speaking content creators. Read simple social media posts in English. Listen to English music. Watch English subtitles. The more English you see and hear, the faster it becomes familiar. Now let me tell you a story. There was a young man named Alex who lived in a small town. He wanted to learn English, but he had very few resources. He did not own many books. He could not afford expensive courses. For a long time, he believed that he could never become fluent. One day, he decided to stop focusing on what he lacked and start using what he already had. He began watching short English videos every day. He listened to English conversations while walking. He repeated useful sentences aloud. He changed his phone settings to English. He practiced speaking to himself every morning and every evening. At first, progress seemed slow. Some days felt frustrating. Some days he wanted to quit, but he continued. Weeks turned into months. Months turned into years. Gradually, his listening skills improved. His vocabulary expanded. His confidence grew stronger. Eventually, he was able to communicate comfortably in English. People often asked him which books he used. His answer surprised them. He simply said, "My daily life became my English classroom." This story teaches us an important lesson. Success does not depend on having perfect resources. Success depends on using the resources you already have. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start learning. They wait for the perfect book, the perfect course, the perfect teacher. But successful learners understand something important. The best time to start is now. Even 5 minutes of practice today is better than waiting for tomorrow. Remember this, English is not learned only from books. English is learned through exposure, practice, repetition, and consistency. Books can guide you. Teachers can help you. Courses can support you. But your daily habits determine your success. If you listen to English every day, you will improve. If you speak English every day, you will improve. If you think in English every day, you will improve. The secret is not perfection. The secret is consistency. As we come to the end of this lesson, I want you to remember one powerful truth. You do not need a bookshelf full of books to learn English. You need curiosity, commitment, and the courage to practice every day. Start with what you have. Use the tools around you. Turn your daily life into an English learning opportunity. And never underestimate the power of small daily improvements. Thank you once again for watching this video and supporting our channel. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning and motivational content. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, your greatest English teacher may be the world around you.